Today's ICD-10 quick coding tip will help you gain a better understanding of two terms that frequently confuse coders when they're encountered in the medical record documentation. My name is Claire and I'm an inpatient coding auditor and educator. In my quick tips and tricks videos, you'll discover valuable insights to help sharpen your medical coding skills and code with confidence. If that sounds like something that would be helpful to you, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I release new content. In ICD-10 coding, the assignment of codes for certain conditions can be impacted by cause and effect relationships documented by the provider. For example, a urinary tract infection caused by a Foley catheter is coded differently than a simple UTI, and bleeding due to anticoagulation medication has its own specific code. While there are certain conditions in ICD-10 where the classification allows us to assume a cause and effect relationship without explicit provider confirmation, in most cases, these relationships must be clearly identified by the provider. Two phrases that often cause confusion among coders are while on and in the setting of. For instance, when the documentation states GI bleed while on anticoagulation, does this mean that the GI bleeding was caused by the anticoagulation medication? Similarly, when the documentation states UTI in the setting of Foley catheter, does this mean that the UTI is due to the Foley catheter? Neither of these terms establishes a cause and effect relationship. GI bleed while on anticoagulation does not necessarily mean that the GI bleed is due to or caused by the medication. It's important to query the provider to clarify if there is a cause-effect relationship between the GI bleeding and the anticoagulation before assigning D6832 hemorrhagic disorder due to extrinsic circulating anticoagulants. Similarly, UTI in the setting of Foley catheter does not necessarily mean that the UTI was caused by the Foley catheter. This phrase could mean due to, or it could simply mean that both conditions are present. It's necessary to query the provider to clarify if there is a cause-effect relationship between the Foley catheter and the UTI before assigning T83511 for infection and inflammatory reaction due to indwelling urethral catheter. So that's it for today's quick tip. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if there's any topics that you would like me to cover in the future, just leave a comment below and I'll add them to my list. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.